everybody, and welcome back to Planet Zoo, where we are here on, whoop, let me turn that down really quickly, guys, where we are here on a very stormy day, and, are these two mating? Okay, no, oh, but hey, she is actually the one who's pregnant. Brigitta is, and what's this? Vet research. Nice, nice. Also, why are all of our doll sheep still hungry? There's a keeper and root. Oh, there. Yeah, so this is why we're gonna get them moved into the Arctic section. Which is what we worked on last time. We didn't really do much. We created this ice path over this river, and that was about it. So guys, we are going to continue with building that. And also, I just realized that a lot of our animals aren't named after you guys. So let's see. Yep, Winter, Bear, oh, Winter, and let's go, there we go, and I believe, okay, yeah, and Moon is specially named, but our polar bears are, I know that for a fact. However, our reindeer are not named after you guys, so, I'm going to save some of your guys' names, but those of you who have commented will become a staff member. I just remembered right now, we're just going to do the animals right now. So, Kitsune Wolfie, we will probably name in the future one of our wolves, Kitsune. Warrior Spirit, I assume you'd like to be a big cat since warriors, are cats. So yeah, actually, you know what? We're gonna end up doing this later. But I'm just going to mention everyone really quickly. So thank you, Carletta Miller. I assume you would also like to be a wolf since you like watching our Wolf Quest series. And same with I'm sorry if I say your name wrong, Stephen Whittaker. It could be Stefan. I'm just looking at how you spell it. And Psycho the Weirdo. So all of you guys seem to love our Wolf Quest series, and we are going to continue with that. But you know, I just got inspired to do Planet Zoo. So, continuing with this water path, we are actually going to remove the water because what we want is actually, we want the river to continue this way into the polar bear habitat. So, oh, I actually need that open still. There we go. Okay, and let's get it level with the current, I think that's pretty good. Okay, and now, doesn't look right. I think it needs to be continued from like the very edge. Oh, okay. We need to go forward one. There we go. Okay, so if we actually push out, there we go. That looks like a turning river. The best that I can do, at least. Okay, so we'll continue it this way. I think if we do it over here, then that'll be good. And there we go. now we can add water. I think that's the level it was at before. What's the next highest level? Why is it obstructed? Okay, so that's the highest it can go. Yeah, it looks a little low. Why is it obstructed? Okay, well that's the highest it can go. So let's color this to a nice. Okay, what does crystal? Oh, we don't want crystal. Azure? I think Azure actually looks really nice. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, that looks really nice. Okay, so we have our Azure water. Okay, Thomas is still hungry. We'll call both. And everyone's super busy because it's so far away. Like, that to there is actually super far. So that's why we're building this section. But first it's going to be the polar bears. So the polar bears will start like somewhere over here. Well, guys, Marjut, who, yes, we still have to rename, is indeed pregnant. Yes. And we need mechanic. Yeah, so overall, guys, it's just not going great like this. Which, again, is why we're building this Arctic section. So, I had a really cool idea for the polar bears. So, this path will kind of like continue along here. Maybe for the Arctic section, like so the polar bears will be over here, and this will kind of turn here after a little bit, so it kind of like cuts off from the river, and then it goes deeper like into the Arctic section. But the polar bears, there's going to be an underground part where you can like see them underwater, or at least that's what I'm hoping. We might have to redo a couple things, but right now, okay, then I think we can gradually curve it. Okay. I think that's pretty good. At night, this doesn't look great. Maybe if we get some lights later. But look at that path. Definitely looks like glacier-like. And, okay, we got a curb. Okay, good. So, guys, next time I will actually try to draw you guys something and put it up on the screen so that, I'll attempt to. I'm not saying that I will, but, or that I will be able to. Okay. Okay, when is our zoo open? Because it seems to be open pretty late. Let's drag the corners in a bit, because it's kind of funky. Okay, so I think if we have the polar bear habitat start like right here, I'll have to think about that. I think if we do it just right here and the path leads right up to it, then you can start going down this way, or you can continue like around it. I think that's what we'll do. So we're gonna leave plenty of space. I just hope we have enough to afford all of it. Okay, so it's hard to see at night, so I'm actually going to change the time to... Whoa, okay. Brightness. Okay, this should be good. Yeah, okay. It's like the sun's rising. I can see well enough to start building this. Okay, so... And I'll warn you guys now, I'm not the best builder. Try my best, but... Okay, that's not enough space. Okay, I think what we do... There we go. And we'll do it over the river for now. Okay, we need to make this longer. Because it's a little hard. There we go. And let's see, how big is this? Oh yeah, that's plenty big. I don't even know if we'll be able to afford this. We might have to drag the walls in a little bit. And it's all about giving it a natural looking shape, which I think we made it pretty. And yeah, it's pretty natural. Okay, so now let's see. Let's put a habitat gate on it. Ooh, I actually have an idea, so we're gonna actually leave it like that. And we're going to push. Oh, okay. We have to get rid of this water, so let's actually back it up. Okay. Remove that water. Oh, right. We still need it again. Okay, so can we... Okay, so we can't push through that barrier. So that means we will just have to go to barriers. Okay, and no, stop trying to connect. Don't want you to connect. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now we'll be able to make a... Oh, that's path. I was like, where's the terrain? There we go. And we'll be able to make a nice river that connects right to the polar bear habitat, which I think is pretty cool. So, on this side, yeah. So then this is going to be kind of their little swimming area. Okay. So this is going to turn deeper because they need a good amount of space to swim in. And you know, they are adding deep diving for bears now. In the new update on the 22nd, so in a couple of days. Okay, how's that looking? I think it looks pretty good. Maybe let's just, yeah, we'll work on that later. We just need like a nice little swimming area for them. So if we can get that in, yeah, that'll be a good chunk of their area. And you'll be able to kind of go in this little room underneath. So we do want it to be like a semicircular pool. Okay, down, down, down. Okay, there we go. And guys, I will attempt to like make a sort of map, I guess you could call it, of the of the different exhibits and stuff so that I can show you guys like what ideas I have. Because it is harder to like explain. But that's okay. Okay, we need this much bigger. Okay, we're gonna turn this all the way up in size so that we can just plow through this, hopefully. Okay, yeah, it seems to be going much faster. That could just be my imagination though. Yeah, so I have some, at least what I think are pretty good ideas for how this could work out with our polar bears. Okay. We needed a tiny bit more this way, and then I think we'll be good, because they do still need some land. Okay. And give me 1 second, guys. I just need to do something really quickly. Alright, there we go, guys. And what is this? Charlotte is about to meet. Are you pregnant? Everything's happening in year 12. I'm excited for year 12 to come. Because there'll be... How many babies do doll sheep have? Let's actually unpause it. Let's see. Doll sheep. When they have babies. 1 to 2 babies. Okay. Okay. So that's pretty good. And let's head back over to our polar bear exhibit. Which, okay, just a little further. And good. And we're actually going to make it even deeper, which is pretty deep. So, alright, there we go. Yeah, but it'll be fun because what I'm gonna try to have us do is for people to be able to take sort of an underground path. Jeez, all of the reindeer. Okay, and Leppa is expecting offspring. Okay, so... Okay, yeah, so he has 3 mates. Leppa, Marja, and Brigitta. So Brigitta is... When are you having babies? So she's having babies in May of year 12. And then the others are also... Well, actually, the one that just mated, her babies are due in year 13. But most of the babies are due in year 12. So that's exciting. Alright, and time is kind of zipping by. It's already April 10th, and now it's actually raining. Okay, I think this is actually super deep. So, oh, I just closed out of the one that I needed again. Let's get our water. Okay, that's obstructive. Whoa. Okay, guys. That's actually a good chunk of their habitat. Okay, so let's get it. Okay. Clean water, azure. because I like that water very much. And there we go, guys. And whoa, that's a little close. Can no one reach this path? Strange, but that's okay. Okay, so it's raining, which makes it very hard to see, but we made good progress today. Not today. Okay. How do I make it? Okay, so there's no settings for that. Okay, I guess we'll have to do this. Okay, and I'm sorry about that, guys. Okay, there we go. And okay, so we have a barrier down here. Okay, so raising it up does nothing, which slightly worries me, but okay, I keep closing out of this the thing that I need. So we are going to put the keeper thing underwater. So like this will be a room that you can kind of well, let's see. Ooh, I had an idea. So there'll actually be a room in the middle where you can kind of walk around and see polar bears on all sides. Okay, so that will actually... Wait, this isn't... We need this. Okay, yeah, so... And hopefully we can level out the floor in there. And we will probably need to extend their water, maybe not. Okay, and curve this way. Okay. And if we turn this into one-way glass, did it become one-way glass? Apparently not. Okay, I think it actually helps if we remove the water for making that barrier. So let's select this. Yeah, because I can really see what I was doing. Okay, and let's build this area. Okay, we need it to be tall. Taller. I think that should work. Okay, then if we make it like that, I think that should actually be big enough. Then, okay, oh, there we go. I see what my glass wasn't working. Then we'll do that. And good, it's the correct way. Although, I would prefer it to be like a little bigger. Not taller, but like wider. But I guess we can fix that later. Okay, but look at this, guys. I think this is pretty cool. We'll certainly work on it. But yeah, we're slowly but surely working on it. Let's just really quickly paint the floor. What's auto paint do? Oh, okay. Let's just make it grass for now, I guess. I guess grass will work. But yeah, guys, so we're working on a very cool polar bear viewing area. So it'll be like you walk down here, and then there'll be a little path in here, and you can see all around you just polar bears, and it'll be like just swimming around, and then there'll be a top view from up above. So very cool, guys. And let's go find our polar bears that we've been focusing so much on. So please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we create the Arctic, starting with a better habitat for our polar bears. Nature Wolf out.